Hi everyone, I'm Jeff Stinson with HeartX Arkansas. When we started our first Accelerator program back in 2017, we knew we had to differentiate. So the way we did that is through clinical engagement. We went to two of our state's hospitals, which were Arkansas Heart Hospital and our state's academic medical center, and we asked them to work with us on providing this clinical engagement to startup companies, that is actually conducting pilot projects and clinical trials inside their hospitals. We did that, we built on those early successes, and in 2021, we actually narrowed the focus to cardiology. Shortly thereafter, we partnered with MedAxiom and rebranded our Accelerator program as HeartX. Along the way, we have also developed our provider coalition. So now we have the state's 10 largest hospitals and health systems, along with 3 large independent physician practices and an FQHC. And in the HeartX program, we've built a track record of which we're really proud. That track record is based on not only providing clinical engagement to startups, something that they really need, but also helping them to transition those engagements to commercial contracts. We've also, with the HeartX Fund, which invests in our cohort companies, we've been able to co-invest alongside some of our country's most prominent and largest healthcare venture capital funds. So you're about to hear from some of the participants in the HeartX program, both from our cohort company CEOs, along with some of our hospital executives and clinicians who participate with us. And we hope you will consider joining us as we continue to build the HeartX program. Cheers, everyone.
Arkansas Heart Hospital, we definitely want to foster a culture open to innovation. We always are encouraging our employees to explore external collaborations, including partnerships with startups.
CHI St. Vincent Heart Institute appreciates the opportunity to collaborate with HeartX and early stage innovators in order to expedite technologies for Arkansans that can improve their cardiac care.
I enjoy working with startups because I enjoy working with creative thinkers. You see people who take a problem that we deal with every day and try to apply innovative or novel solutions to it.
HeartX Arkansas is really different than other accelerators in the country because of the partners that they bring to the table. So they had health systems that screened us and vetted us right from day one of the program. We came in with 2 mentors and health system champions that helped us to navigate their systems and to establish pilots, which is really hard for early stage companies to do by themselves.
With HeartX Arkansas, you really get to find, hey, this group of organizations, some are large hospitals, some are independent clinics around the state, and you get to just meet them all in a short period of time. And that's another huge differentiator, actually, is instead of spending a few months, it's really just a few days. And sometimes a few days can be more impactful than several weeks or months.
HeartX Arkansas is completely unique. We haven't seen any accelerator like it. And the key benefit that is really obvious is just that you have access to unparalleled clinical expertise and ability to do clinical studies. We actually had access to 4 different hospitals in the HeartX Arkansas network, each of them providing different perspectives and different methods of engagement.
HeartX Arkansas and MedAxiom, they're invaluable, connecting us with startups with the potential to transform cardiovascular care.
I have found the companies to be well prepared to engage in the level of pilot projects that make products beneficial to our patients and to our organizations.
We're seeing companies now with MedAxiom that are more developed. They have a more developed infrastructure. They have a team that's in place, better financing.
Participation in HeartX studies elevates the offerings that CHI St. Vincent Heart Institute can provide our patients to improve their heart health, which is one of the most important things that we do.
Innovation tends to breed innovation among smart people. And I'm lucky to work with an awful lot of smart people in the hospital setting and the cardiology setting. So you bring these innovative things in, and it gets people thinking about other solutions and other problems.
I would do the Health Tech Arkansas again in a heartbeat. Right from the beginning of the program, we were screened and vetted by health systems. So starting from day one, we had 2 champions from the Arkansas Heart Hospital and from the University of Arkansas for Medical Sciences, UAMS. And with UAMS, we were able to expand after the pilot from cardiovascular conditions to a variety of different patient types like high-risk pregnancy and diabetes.
We really wouldn't be where we are today if we didn't have those early adopters that we got at the Health Tech program. Since then, we've helped see millions of patients on our platform, and I'm not sure we would have been able to do that if we didn't do that with the program.
The studies that we did with our Health Tech Arkansas clinical sites, it was really from a very early stage. They're willing to take a bet on us. We had a very rudimentary prototype, but they believed in the technology, and they were willing to listen to us in terms of our vision and also be able to look at our early data to take a bet on us.
So the MedAxiom partnership for Health Tech Arkansas, I would say, is both invaluable and virtually indescribable. They are without doubt the national leader in the cardiovascular space in terms of benchmarking, data, best practices, partnerships, strategic partnerships, all driven around helping cardiology practices grow and thrive. They're the unparalleled leader. So we were super grateful that they shared our vision of helping to drive innovation in cardiology by bringing startups that are bringing new innovations to market, by bringing those to our cardiology practices. And what we've done along the way has been fantastic. With their help, we can say we are now getting the strongest cardiovascular startups in the world to apply to the HeartX program.